In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tracked inventory in Xero, a feature-rich accounting software that can help you manage your business finances with ease. First, ensure that you have your Xero credentials handy. Begin by navigating to the Xero accounting software website and clicking on the Login button. Here, you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll land on your main Xero dashboard, which serves as the hub for all your accounting activities. From the dashboard, proceed by clicking on the Business tab. This is where you usually find all the business-related details and settings in Xero. After selecting Business, look for the Products and Services option and click on it. This area specifically manages the inventory items you buy or sell. Once you're in the Products and Services section, you'll see an option to add a new inventory item. Click on New Item to start the process of creating an entry for your tracked inventory. Now, you'll be asked to input the details of your inventory item, beginning with the item code. Use a unique identifier for the item code that makes sense for you and your team. Following this, enter a descriptive item name to ensure clarity in identifying the product in the future. This enables easy access and identification for anyone in the team who might be handling inventory. A crucial step not to overlook is ticking the box labeled Track Inventory Item. This tells Xero to keep a detailed record of stock levels and movements for this item. By enabling this feature, you can automatically update stock quantities in your system when purchases or sales are made, offering you up-to-date control over your inventory. Next, specify the account where the inventory asset will be recorded, which in most cases is the 630 inventory account. This ensures that the value of your inventory is properly accounted for in your financial statements. Continue by inputting any other necessary details about your item, such as descriptions or notes that might be requisites for your business practices. Make sure to address the purchase and sell sections. These areas allow you to input the item's cost and selling price, which plays a role in determining profit margins and tracking revenue. Once all details are accurately filled out, the last step is to click on the Save button to finalize the process. Saving the item ensures that all the inputted information is stored in the Xero system, ready to be tracked and referenced whenever necessary. And that's it. With these simple steps, you've successfully added a tracked inventory item in your Xero system. This feature will now help you maintain better oversight over your inventory, enabling you to make more informed decisions regarding stocking, purchasing, and selling. I hope you found this guide helpful, and as always, feel free to revisit these steps whenever you need a refresher. Happy inventory tracking.